So this is it. There's a wall plug. Don't know that. There's a controller, then the remote, and then so this is the 295 next. So as part of that, I think there are about you can see that there are 5 of these bigger ones, and there are 20 of this medium sized, and then 270 of this small ones. So let's test this with that plug and see. Right, so that is it, and this will go to the wall. On this side, it goes here. Now this one has the twinkle. Let me just fix that. Alright, so man, let's see. Those are the bigger ones for the twinkle effect. And that's the remote, but the remote doesn't come with a battery, so you have to put the battery inside. And let's see, on here, jump, fade, flash, breathe, music on and off, off colors. Pretty cool. This also comes with a phone app, but who has time to use the phone app? All right. So I brought out my headliner, as you can see it, and I've marked all the spots where the lights are going to go. So this is 295 that you see on here. So I used markers. Let me show you up close. You can see there's a red, there's blue, and then there is black. So the black is for the medium. The red, there are only 5 of them. That is for the big size, and the blue is the regular small starlights. And so now, one mistake I made, I picked a drill and I used a very tiny drill bit. But you'll see that I've removed the battery, because when I tried to drill, it affected the headliner in there. You see the material in the foam wasn't looking great. So the new strategy that I came up with was just to poke it. So based on the markings, you put that and then you just press on it and it will poke a hole into it. So let me flip that over and show you how it looks. So as you can see, you see those poked holes all over. This is where I made that mistake, so I had to find a way to fix it when I tried to drill it, because it's the cloth material. I mean, I think it wrapped around the drill and a whole lot of stuff. So yeah, there's that. Now I need to put all of the 295 into these, and then I'll hot glue. I have already now poked all 295 holes. It's now time to insert the fibers into this holes, all 295 of them. Now, for the controller, I was thinking of hiding it somewhere here, but then when I compare the height to this, it is way taller. So I don't want the roof to sag. And so what I plan to do, I bought 3 meters worth of the fiber. So it's quite long from that place all the way to the side. So what I'm going to do is to hide this the inside the C pillar of the car. So this is going to go up like that and then go through the C pillar. So when I put them through that, I'll hide the rest of it almost close to the trunk inside that trim cover covering the C pillar. So you will go down there, and then I'm going to hardwire it to the cigar lighter in the trunk, so that once I turn on the car, it also turns on. Yeah, so I'll remove the rubber and start inserting them into the respective holes. Now, to avoid any forms of confusion, I'm going to start from the bigger ones and then go down all the way to the small ones. So there are 5 of the biggest ones, so I've marked the spots red, so those will go in first, and then these 20 of the medium-sized ones would also go into the spots I marked black, and then the rest, which is all those small ones, will go into the every other spot which is blue, just to kind of streamline the whole process. So I'll do that, I'll insert all of them, and then after that I'll hot glue all of them. So let's do it. So that's, you see the big ones here, there, 5, there, and here. So I'm going to put these ones too, and then the smaller ones. I'll show you at the end how it all looks. Okay, so there it is. I'm done fixing all of that. 295, and I hot glued all of that. So this is the glue gun that I used, and the glue. I initially had a black one, so you can see all these black spots. They are hot glue. All this is glue. When I run out of the black one, then I transition to that. So that's it. Then I taped the fiber, the bulk, to the side. Now you see some allowance here, because in putting back the headliner, you need to fold it, the headliner a little bit slightly. So for bending its sake, it's better to leave some allowance and not make it too tight, so that it can be flexible enough. So this is it. Actually, they need to glue the rest because the tape is not doing a great job. So I'll probably glue it so it will be firm. So this side will go into the C pillar. Now let me turn it over so that you see. Alright, so look at that. That's all the strands. And so you see that I've left them hanging when I fix it in the car. Oh, no, actually, I can cut all of them before mounting in the car. Since I've already glued it behind, I think I'll just get those cut off and then cut all of them. All 295. And this is it. I finished cutting off all the excess fiber. So there you see it. It's beautiful. So when I turn off the light, this is how it looks like. See those little twinkle effects. I mean, I haven't changed anything yet about it, so. And now what is left is fixing this in the car. So I'll do that. I'll show you when I put it back in the car and how it's looking